Okay, we are live, I guess. Hello, hello. Yesterday we were solving arrays, easy problems, I guess. Uh, Largest element we can just find by comparing the value. Second largest also is easy. And check if array is sorted too. Maybe this. What we solve this thing, I guess. Left rotate array by 1. Case slice and splice method. Longest subarray with given some k positives. No idea what is this. Given array number size n and integer k, find the length of the longest subarray that sums to k. If no such subarray exists, return 0. How do we form an subarray? Um, the longest subarray with sum equals to 15 is 5. Yo, Thor DC पे आ रहा है क्या? DC पे आएगा DC. DC पे आ रहा है क्या Thor? Do you have any idea how to take subarray of an array? Do you need to create separate arrays for everything? If here I have to just create an object and maintain whatever is there. So I need to find an array of number size n and given array of number size n and integer k, find the length of longest subarray. The longest subarray can be the whole array itself. That sums to k. Okay. Oh, now I understand. We need to find the uh, total number of elements that add up to k, and the longest one they are asking us to return. How do we create a sub array? DC ban, why? Do you have Telegram? Do you have Telegram? Let me hide my screen for a few seconds and this I will show. Oh, okay, okay. Right now you're in college. Do you have any idea how to create a sub array, man? I have only played with the hash map, just single value. Either I have maintained the count of the total elements and just checking the maximum consecutive numbers and something like that. But I never maintained this much big numbers or like more than single number. So any idea like how do we do this? I know we have to use hash map, but they have given some hint, but it is not. Want to see real doubts. Okay, my stream is delayed, I guess. I have spoke a lot, but right now it's on the queue. Rewrite back screen. It's fine. I need to solve this question right now. Let me understand clearly. I just need to return the um, longest. The longest means I have to just find the smallest value so then many numbers can add up and just give the output to us. I just have to return only length. Only length is needed. So for the 15, this is 7 and this is 7 and 7 plus 7 is like 14. 14 plus 1 is like 15. So I guess these four numbers are, I mean the length of these four numbers has been returned as 4 I guess. Otherwise we can't do like 10 plus 9 is like 19, and even if you do this even this 17, this is not even equal. And also we can do 10 plus 5, but this is not longest. This will become the shortest, which returns the k. So as for this case, only these four elements together adding will be just giving us k number. How do I calculate? Like how do I keep them stored somewhere so that I can just compare with that? Okay. Mm, see. Okay. I'm getting some ideas, but I don't know. Maybe it will work or not. I'll just say first, and then I'll just start doing. Um, First, what I will do is like I will maintain two variables. One will be like the current longest subarray, and once the target, I mean once the sum of all elements are not equals to the k element, then I'll just make it 0, and I will just store that whatever was coming in the current element, I will just store that in the longest. I'll keep on doing till the end of the array, and at the end I'll do maximum, and I'll just return um, the maximum of what we stored from there. Why we are doing the maximum in I mean at the end, because if imagine if you're doing 10 plus 5, you are getting this thing, and since after this count will be increasing, right, like 17. Since this is not equal to 15, then I will make this as 0. If I make it 0, then longest subarray might be having wrong thing, and after that, whenever this is changing, then only my main variable will be getting updated. So what I will do at the end, I will just take the current longest subarray count, and the maximum one we are storing in the top. I'll take the maximum of both, and then I'll return the maximum. I don't know it will work or not. I'll just try. What I was trying to say is, see, let current maximum simply is like see, and let the um, longest maximum. I don't know what the hell I should give the name, but still I'll just keep something. Longest maximum we are maintaining here, and then what we'll do, like let I equals to 0, and I iterate over the. Oh, it's showing error. Oh, num length. I'll do I plus plus, and now what I will check is like, yeah, exactly. Not reducing. Okay, I don't know this method. I will try this method too, but I don't know how to do this thing. But I have thought something else. Hmm. Now what I have to do is like I have to calculate the total number of elements that add up to the k value, and then store it in the current maximum. whenever a value is getting added, first we have to check if current element plus next elements till the end add up to k. If it is not equals to k, then we'll just return 0 at the end. If it is there, the value is there, then we'll just store it in the current maximum. And once the after adding the next element, the value changes anyhow. So we'll make the current maximum 0, and we will be again keep on tracking other things and compare if current maximum is uh, the last current maximum is greater. I mean the current maximum is greater than what you stored in the current maximum, and update the current maximum. In the end, what we can do, let me first graph the things here. Return that maximum, current maximum and longest maximum. What, sorry, what the, why it is throwing some error, man? Oh, this is class, bro. I don't know how to do the class thing. What I will do is like in the Java compiler thing, I will make a function and just call it there. Not if it is like this, I mean similar to the LeetCode, then it would be easy. But I don't know, they have given some class and everything. I think we need to create a method and call it. We can just take the cases for right now and then first do the thing and then let's know like, what we're thinking is right or wrong. I don't know, I have seen, I mean, I have done something similar to this question, so something triggered in my mind. Might be wrong or right, I don't know. I just try. If not working, then I just go with your solution. I don't know how to do that. Let's see. Maximum, right? Maximum. What I forgot the spelling of maximum. Okay, at the end we are just returning this, and now we have to compare. Till where? Hmm, if I don't know this is right approach or not, but what I will do is like if data would be value, I copy the value, right? Here you can just maintain the value, and case 15 here. I'm just doing brute force method. I don't know. Terms of I plus terms of I plus 1. How do we take it till the end of the loop, man? Equal equals to k. Else if current, sorry, terms of I plus terms of I plus 1. I think this method won't work. First I was storing the longest maximum. then I'll make the current maximum as 0. This is what I was thinking, but iterating can be changed, I guess. I don't know, maybe this is wrong, but the approach is same. How do I go till like once it is equals to 15, then just store it here? But I don't. But how this comparison will work? Like 10 plus 5, 15. Okay, current one, and next it will go 2 plus 7. It won't go till every element. How do I iterate to every element? It won't work as I think. I'm thinking. What the hell is this? Okay, I don't need this thing. For loop is closed. Cool. The LCD is closed. The LCD is closed, and you're just printing it here, and this is not needed. Wow, why 0? Something interesting happened. Since sums of I plus 1 equals to k, why not iterating for current dot max is supposed to return the maximum? Let me print the maximum and current maximum. Now this should have something. Wow, everything is 0. Wow. Why everything is 0? Should the I plus 1 should be in the outer side or like here? What I did is like I plus 1 and I mean I of index and I plus 1 equals to k, then current maximum will be increasing, and if this is not equal, then what we do? We will store it in the longest maximum, and then current maximum will be 0. Okay, but why the longest maximum is also 0? Even though if it is getting reset in the this condition, still the longest maximum should contain like 1, right? At least 1. Loop iteration is proper. I equals to 0 and I will certain some sort length I plus plus. I think something is wrong with the conditions. I equals to 0 and I less than nums dot length and I plus plus and nums of I equals nums of I plus 1. Okay. Let me first print like I'm even getting the value first. That's what I will do with nums of I plus nums of I plus 1. What are we even getting? See, here we're getting the value, man. This was supposed to do this. Do I need to do like this current maximum? Did I do some spelling mistake? Current maximum is equal to current maximum plus. This is not needed anyhow. It's increment 1. Still it is 0. What we saw here is like hmm, what are we getting here? The thing is working properly, but still, I need to figure like why the thing got stalled. Why my current maximum is not getting upgraded? When updated. Since this condition is true, we are getting 15 and equals to 15. Do I need to make it like that? That won't be any issue, I guess. Still, we are getting 0, 0, 0. Hmm. Where are we making the mistake? Something is wrong with the conditions, I guess, right? We need to do length minus 1. Undefined is gone, I guess. Undefined was only because of just trying to jump to the next number, right? Under the index. And we are even getting every value. And even the 2 is missing. Oh, why my condition is failing, right? This was supposed to work. If I declare it inside my loop, then it will keep on changing every iteration, I guess. That is not the right way, I guess. Yeah, I got because I tried somewhere outside of the loop. Let me keep the longest outside one. And my current will come now. I knew it. Where am I supposed to store this thing? Should it be equal or but here they have said clearly like find the length of longest subarray that sums to k. It can't be equal less than or equals to something like that. It should be equal to k. If not, then just return 0. Why this condition is failing? And why even the 2 got skipped here? Okay, this is acceptable. Like only if first number and next number is getting added and gives k, then only print. This is fine. Oh, okay. Since after these 2 index, then it gave 5 and 7. It should be 7. And 2 plus 7 is like 9. And 9 plus 1 is like, sorry, 7 plus 1 is like 8. And 9 plus 1 is like 10. Oh, this is fine. Okay. But why current maximum is not there? Hmm. Let me let me log after this current maximum. What? When I did it, it was different. Still, it's not. Okay, I'm getting confused right now. I have to just something so I can understand. We have current maximum. What the hell? Current maximum is getting updated, but uh, okay, I think this is a wrong approach. We need a total number of elements that add up to the k. So we need the length of elements getting added. I mean, yeah, added. How do I calculate the total number of elements getting added equals to k? If I do this, then I can just only see if this is equals, then I will just increment 1 and I will have only at the end like only 1. I think I need to maintain even the numbers and everything. First I need to check if this is equal, then I will just store them in a hash map. I think we need to use hash map here. I might be wrong, but I'll just give it a try. For setting the value, I will set the index here. Map dot map dot get. So map dot get or map dot set. Okay, we are setting it outside, but here we are getting nums of I. I don't know if it will go like this. Can I even store it like this? This is wrong syntax, I guess. Let me print and see what I get in the map right. 2 key undefined. Hmm. In JavaScript, in JavaScript. And to store a collection like array or object as a value of the key. Oh, cool. Since I don't know this thing, I guess what I will do, I just get rid of this thing. In order to store, I just have to just put the key here and just directly value. I don't need to get anything. So I was not trying to get any value. So if you put it like nums of I, then store nums of I, right? Nums of I. Okay, I'm not printing it. So much time. Okay, but I want to store every value. If I do like nums of I plus 1, then it show the second value, right? Mm-hmm. We have this. Mm, what I will do is like just uh, but here I need to maintain the other values too. It is only storing two values. How do I make it iterative over all values? Do I need to create a if I do it will become n square complexity, I guess. Mm, let me try once. What happens if I create a new loop? Let's experiment with it. Nums dot length it will be nums dot length and k plus plus and then and here I will put this thing. What I will put is j k plus one. I think both are same I guess. Oh, now we are getting the line undefined. Can make it minus one then. 1 plus 9 is not equals to. Let me remove this and remove this right now. Also remove this for now. If terms of I, terms of I will be the serial number. So it will be like nums of j plus nums of j plus 1 equals to n. Hold on, the map. Even if I store it like this, or it's it only stores into. Oh, sorry. It's okay. Why it's only iterating over the first two values only. I want it to iterate over the whole array and check. I'm only getting like only the first value is getting iterated again and again. Maybe I should make it I. Oh, this can work, but still, uh, should it be I here too? No, I got the method, but I need to figure out how am I supposed to do like it is only calculating these two values. I want it to iterate the whole array. But this is a so big complexity. What if I don't have this thing? If I don't have this thing, I just do like this one. That one. I think it will be the same output, I guess. If it is not going through whole array single time, then we need to go with the double loop, I guess. Double loop was fine, I guess. But we need to figure how we can iterate every element, not only two elements. Here we have this, and we are using the I as the key, I guess. Yeah, this is key, right? Key and values are there. So these two get add up and gives 15. We got one possibility. How we can iterate over the whole element. Uh, hey, if map dot has map if map has that value, then we just keep it. Even if shipping will work or not, I don't know. If map has the 10 and 5, then it will never see the 10 and 5. We can't even get this possibility. What else can be done? What else can be done? So k is 15 and length of array is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Longest subarray with sum 15 is 5271, which has the length of. We need to split the array. How can we split the array? Don't even need physics right now. We're doing it in a different hash map. But still we're doing it in n square complexity. so harsh condition. Wait. I need to do something. If I make J, J item from 0. Oh, map also got commented here, I guess. Since after that it is not able to calculate. 5 plus 2 will not give 15, and 2 plus 7 will not give 15, and 7 plus 1 also will not give 15, and 1 plus 9 also will not give 15. So we are only getting what is like these two numbers add up and then give us 15. We need to make sure like it should be able to go through every element and check if adding these elements giving us the k value. You know, we need to just add some small tweak somewhere and yeah, but we need to figure it out like where we can add. Since we are not using this, I just comment it out for me. Hmm, what am I doing wrong? If I had to iterate over the array, I would have used the loop and go one by one index. We need to create like many pointers and keep note like first pointer and second pointer and third pointer get added like giving us this value. What if the k is like 100? How many pointers will I be creating then? What kind of question is this? Is this a medium question? Oh, it's a medium. Hmm. Just let's ask the hint, like not asking the answer. Uh, how do I iterate? Just give hint. Answer, I guess. We already know how loop use simple for loop or while loop. While loop don't treat element individually. Think in terms of chunk or group. Maintain temporary array. Oh. Once it reaches a certain size or condition, push the subarray into result and then reset the temp array. Instead of pushing one by one, try using index slicing. Take element from I plus k and move I forward by k. Sorry. Start from I. We are starting from I. Then I think we don't need this thing. I'll just remove this. I just follow. See. Starting from I and take element till I plus 1. See I plus k. Okay, they are asking me to do an while loop, I guess. Let's copy the syntax and let's remove everything. What did it say? We need to start from I. We need for loop, but something different, I guess. We need to start from I, and here we are changing it. Let's just like take element till I plus k. Now we are going to take it like I plus k elements and I plus plus. After that, what it do? Move I forward by k. Move I forward by k. You mean I have to move k steps forward? How do I move k? I mean, k move I forward by k. You need to do k plus I plus k or something. You do I plus k, I think it's different. First, let's try this thing. Build subarray manually while looping. Use index jumps plus slicing. If you want, I can show patterns in super simple code. I don't want the answer. You already know how to loop. Use simple for loop or while loop. While looping, don't treat element individually. Think in terms of chunks. Think in terms of chunks. Maintain a temporary array subarray. Keep pushing the elements into. Let them array. But again, I have to run another loop for checking if map is not needed, I guess, right now. Now we have temp and we can maintain the current, I guess. Again, we need current count, I guess. And again, we need the largest count. It said me to just push the value inside. Inside the temp array, if I push the values, let's print what we are getting inside the temp array first. So you can just get some idea about it. I think there is some syntax mistake, but still we can just run and see what's happening. I think it will get stuck in infinite session ended. But why my temp array not very. What happens if I just run in a normal way? Doing this thing. Temper is there, right? If still temper is not there, then we are doing something wrong. Okay, we have a copy now. What should I do? While pushing each element, I need to check inside this array. And right now, pushing element uh, together, it's making k value now. But still, we are stuck with the next element. How do we iterate there? I can't understand this in what it said. Take element from I till. Is it asking me to just create a while loop and run the start index of I until I plus k and move I forward by k? I can't understand forward. Why am I taking so much time to do this thing? Once you reach a certain size or condition, push the sub array into result. Keep pushing the element into it. Maintain a temporary array sub array. Keep pushing elements into it. Once it reaches a certain size, if we start to okay, I think if the for loop is proper, then I think pushing the element would give the right answer, I guess. Here the condition need to be changed. Can you explain this? I can't this thing. I can't understand this one. Can you explain a little bit? Don't yes. You're not walking step by step anymore. You're jumping in blocks. Visualize the array. Let's say k is 3. Size of each sub array is 3. Oh, from there I'll just increment and I'll go from the next index and then I think that is what he's trying to say. and start index 0, and so you pushing forward. Again, I have to mention it like don't give the answer, otherwise it will just give me the answer. And the whole point of the doing won't be grateful for me right now. I'm using a for loop, man. Don't give the answer. I just need. I can't figure out how to place the loop. I guess start 0 and condition this and update. There is a key part you're missing. If already use k elements, how many should escape? One more micro hint. If your chunk or size k, your loop should start off or if I make my I as k, then it will push only k elements. If I start with 15, then how do I say? After 15, there is no element, then it won't work. Hmm. Are you guys are able to understand like what it's trying to say? If I already used k element, how many should I skip? If you already use k element, how many should you skip? Exactly at the start of the next chunk. After taking one chunk, where should I land next? You have to land after k plus, I guess, like k plus 3 elements again, I guess. But the loop is not a good loop. It should jump by k. It should jump by k. But here, if I do like k plus I, then it won't work for me. I guess I don't know. Maybe that is what you are trying to say. Oh, my loop is not even working. Oh man, please correct it. By giving little hints, and I can't understand. Sliding window. What is sliding window? Are you trying to make chunk K? I'm trying to make chunk K. What do you do? You're skipping last element for no reason. Yeah, it was saying me like NA and not a number. I had to skip. Now we are getting every element. What are you doing now? This just copy the whole array, no logic. I know that. Yeah, I know. If I keep adding the element, then every element will be there at the end, I guess. With this loop, what? Add nums of I to something. Add nums of I to something. What is something? When your total becomes greater than 15, what should happen? Remove element from start. Reset everything. Your answer to this decide the whole logic. Tiny hint. Just instead of pushing into temp array, wait. Since I have my current count, but equals to nums of I. If I do this, I need a condition to stop this anyhow. Even if I do this, then it will store everything, I guess. I need to do only till 15, I guess. Even if I do till 15, then what if, imagine if this is, this is not here and it's placed here, and even if I take the index, okay, I need to maintain pointers, I guess. Like, I'm starting from here and I'm ending here. Once the count is 15, then I will just store the index where it ended. Like on the 7th it ended, and if I add this all, then I'm getting 15. Then I'll push that here and I will store the length of this thing, I guess. You can try that method. I think I figured it out little bit. Maybe not. Still confused, but still. I'll keep on adding. I'll keep on adding till case 15. We need a different variable. Past. Let us create some variables so you can see. Last index. Last index. Okay, last index is fine. And starting index can be. I even need a starting index, I guess. So, wait. Uh, mm, you can solve this question here. Adding these elements gives me 15. What if I make it equals to k? Will I get? Oh, I'm only getting 5. Why 5? Greater than or equals to 15, what happens? It almost stored every value, I guess. I need to compare. If I'm comparing, I'm only getting only 5. Why am I only getting 5? Why only 5 got pushed? We got some idea, but I think condition is not working for us. He asked me to do it, check if process K. When your total become greater than 15, what should happen? Remove the element from start. Remove the element from the start. If my k becomes greater than current count, then remove element from the start. Should I make it 0? Oh, sorry. Resetting is like zero, right? One, two, three, five, one, two, four, five, six. We have six, eight. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 14, 14 plus 1, 15. We're adding this thing. We are adding this thing here, and like once it is greater than k, then we are making this thing. How this is supposed to give me an answer? How can we reset? Reset is like this. You have any question? What if I just push this? Your answer decides the whole logic. If you answer that, I will guide you the next steps without giving the full code. When your total become greater than 15, what should I do? If my total is becoming greater than 15, then should I remove it, or like should I the element from start or reset everything? Both are same, right? Like removing element from start means like from start you will remove till end, and reset also do the same. Your answer decides the whole logic. I have done this. I'm going with this. What do you think? You know better. I can't. Don't reveal the answer, right? Very close. Wow. Just one mental shift missing. Good running sum. Checking with K. Correct direction. What exactly are you pushing? You are not tracking which element formed that sum. Something that stores a current sub array, not sum. Then when condition hits, push the temp into result. You mean I have to create a different thing, continue adding more, or reset something? Oh, I have to reset the count, I guess. Once it is greater than, okay, I will keep on pushing this, and once it is greater than this, I will make current count as 0, and I will make a let result array. We are using so many spaces. Here we have one array, here we have one array. Okay. Until that, I will just push it in the temp array. Still, it will be doing the same thing. Let's try once. If it is greater than then result array, what you have. Ah, oh, we also need the result array. Hmm. Current count will be adding and pushing into temp, and once current count is greater than k and current count becomes 0, it will push your result into this. Right. Oh shit, it's getting every time. Push should be happen somewhere else. You already wrote, but that's actually supposed to be your result array. You're missing one more array for the current subarray where I'm storing the elements that makes the current sum. Once you fix that, you click instantly. Where am I storing the elements that makes the current sum? Where am I storing the current sum? But this thing is giving me like array. I'm doing it wrong, I guess. Yo, guy, give me some hints, man. I can't even figure it out, man. You need to do like current count is lesser than. Let me try this thing. I don't know, maybe do. Current count is lesser than. Uh, Current count is lesser than or equals to k. Then only do this thing. I don't know how many elements will get pushed, but still. Should I put it in the side? It will keep on adding this and current count is check. If current count is lesser than or equals to k, then only push this. And once it is greater, then make the current count 0 and push the result array. And then to build side. Hell nah, bro. What are the topic we need to know? I can't even say hint of that. What the hell happened there? Why I'm not even able to inspect this thing? Here is where we have the hint, right? No, no. Constraints, I have constraints here. Examples. Is it getting dynamically injected right now? Okay, we are here. You made it disabled, right? What if I remove disable? Still you have something, something of close. Okay, it's coming from data. Different element. Button is disabled. We have enabled it. Oh, okay. Everything is coming from backend, so you can't do anything. What the fuck? I hate myself so much, man. What the hell? I can't even figure out. Still don't give the answer. Tell me just where it went wrong. First, I will just fix what's there before I guess. This wasn't there. I think this is audio. Yeah, this is. First, I have to store the temp array and then I will. We have to temp array also. Taking count empty is fine. I guess we don't have any condition here, so degree where it's wrong, where it wrong. Oh, you're replacing you're replacing the result array full time. You're not storing multiple subarrays. Bro, I wanted to temp array equal to zero. How do you reset an array first? Lol. Okay, I can just okay. Instead of making it like that, like this, so I can empty. Bro, what the fuck, bro? It's can't even figure it out. Like, what the hell should I do? It is sliding window, or I don't know, maybe some different kind of problem. I took a medium problem, I guess. I should have gone with the easy one, so I could have solved a bit more problems. We have still time, like, it's right now like 8 p.m. Anyhow, I will do till 11 or 11. Are you going to join? Ask me. Bro, what the hell, bro? You said me, I was having equals to, you said me like, is it greater than equals to? Ah, man. Wow, my result is empty now. Okay, first I need to store it in the array and then I'll make, I should have make it. Ah, yeah, we are getting 50 equals to k. This is equal to 15? No. 10 plus 10 plus 7 is 17, 17 plus 2 is, oh, this is not equals to 15. I thought I got the answer like 5271. Damn, man. Okay, okay, okay. Take your time, man. One final question: what two things must happen together? You already did this, and what's the second reset? Fix the spots and your logic will work. This is what he was trying to say from past 20 minutes. So you want me to do result array dot push, temp array of I or what? That is what I'm trying to say. Question number, yeah. This one, bro. Longest subarray with case first I need to learn concept and then I have to jump on this questions now. It's, it's like wasting my time. You fixed the previous issue, but now you have small mistakes slipped in. Temp array is already sub array. Why taking? Are you taking single element, not whole sub array? But you want me to store an array of array? So you want me to store like this? What happens if I store it like this? Oh, okay. But still, you didn't get the answer what we are supposed to get. Close this. Instead of doing this, I can just make it an object, I guess. Why do I have to make an array of array? But still, it's fine by me. I think we are close, almost close. I had this thing already, but I was using map. I just had to figure out like how to I supposed to travel through other elements. Get my key. Like, what he made me to write this much thing, and even the same thing is there. I was using the count variable there, and I was using the temp and it's sitting here. I don't know why my map didn't. Then I have to return it down. Bullshit. Try brute force two loops and count. Bro, I have a question like in LeetCode. Do we and we do DSA problems? Yo, I'm just learning, man. I'm not a pro guy. Keep reducing sum. How am I reducing the sum? Reducing the sum of current sum? Oh, you asked me like in LeetCode can you only do DSA problem? I think Sam answered you. Sorry, I didn't read it properly. My bad. I thought you were saying me like I have a question. Do you want to do something like I thought something like that. This is what you're missing. Equals to k good. Greater than k, don't reset. Instead, remove the element from stars. If greater than k, what the hell is that? What did you say? If greater than k, so he wants me to do greater than equals to k, and I have to remove one first element. Only first element. Whenever it is greater than k, then remove first element. How does this evolve? It keep on pushing every values and it will check if current count is greater than 0, then it will push the pro. Maintaining instead of maintaining one temp array, what if I start sub array from every index? That, that's the hell I was asking. You need two rules. Reset starting point. Use sub array from start. Reset starting point. Sub array from start. Yeah, man. Medium questions are fucking hard, man. What you want me to do? You want me to just want me to do this? Oh, God. Oh, you want me to maintain a temporary array and push if it is equal, if it is greater than that, then remove the first one, only first. This is what you want me to do. Ah, I need to figure out like how the hell am I supposed to iterate over the array and pick this thing. You added numbers only, so now we are subtracting. That does not undo anything. So you must remove actual element, not just one. So you want me to do this? Wow, finally we have something here. Um, there is few issues, I guess. Just need to figure it out. You are trying to solve the problem that requires checking all possibilities in continuous, but current structure 1 to preset. This never explores all possibilities. Finally, one option, easy to use. Try every starting point, build a summary forward, check some, slide in the sliding. I have searched it somewhere. It's like 7 days ago I searched it. Why did I search this? Oh man, we have a technique, man. If I this technique, I would have done it faster. Wow. Then what the hell am I supposed to do? In same core logic to destroy everything instead of adjusting? Cool, bro. If I don't reset, what will happen? Every element. If I reset it, it's only. But here you are saying something. When some becomes too big, some become too big, some is too big, then what? want me to splice? We have something called splice. Where is splice? Changes the content of the array by removing or replacing. Unlike slice, it mutates the original array. Instance array containing any removed start position. It is not specified. It said me to remove from the left index, right? How? My start index I won't specify, it will remove it automatically. What I need to do is like then nums of nums dot maybe nums dot size minus one. This will remove my last element. Okay, but it says that you can do. Oh, I'm using slicing. So even splice should okay. Remove start of temp array. So I should I make it my temp array will be like this. Fix the splice, you will crack it. Bro, what the hell are you saying? Remove this thing. And now, now the index starts at what if I pass 0, 0, then nothing happened. What if I do till now short then -1 then it removed everything. What if I do -2 then still what if do since my starting index is different so it's removing everything I guess. Now I think it should have at least first number I guess like 0 indices. It asked me to remove the first element only, right? Um, since I'm passing it here, it's not num set length will be my starting index -1 and for it 0. Even if I don't see things, would not even get. Bro, this question is crazy, bro. How many hours I have been streaming for this one thing? Class, nice. Okay, 1 hour, one question, medium, still stuck. Crazy, keep it up. Now very close, but these two lines are still blockers. अरे यार, where is this place? It should be 10 यार. Shit. But still getting the same result. What is the issue? This is total number of element I want to remove. Hell no. Eh? How one element can remove everything? Okay, written right. Nothing happened. Correct 3. There is no 3 index, I guess. Just changing a single index will remove it. This is my full array. This is an answer, but not the right answer. The right answer should be just tell me for a count, man. You're confusing me so much, man. I need to, I need to learn this concept. Still remain the wrong side. What it does removes the last element. Still, same mistake here. But you just removed from the temp even that was a wrong answer. Subtract the same element from the sum. What did you do? Current count push and wait. Shifted it until current. Bro, what the hell, bro? I was doing so much wrong. What I did, um, sum is also wrong. And pushing is wrong. It's not even correct. I had to, he did not even do splice, he did the shift. What is shift dash? I know unshift dash. Oh my god. Simple map. Crazy, man. All they have to do like storing what we are doing. Minor, I mean, this so close, man. This was not even. In the end, you are checking if current count is clear and pushing inside. Seriously. So, nah, bro. Yes, this is not working. First, we are adding it and then pushing the element. Since we are adding and pushing element, every while current count is greater than a, then shift will keep on happening. And current count is different words. So every magic of current count crazy. This was so fucking easy question. Wow. Um, I can't even store it in. Say like, you're storing inside this thing. Again, it will throw an error. I don't know. 1st it had 7. Is 7 greater than 7 is greater than k? No, nothing will happen there. Again, current count become 90. Wait. I need to get a checking try run, man. So it's in a easy way. First it removed 10, then it removed 5. What? Adding this two gives 15. Okay, since it is not greater than k, then it's got removed. Yeah, but in the end result we are having like this. This is also like I don't understand. Current result become 19 and remove 2. Have to compare it here. Current result become 19 and it remove 2 here. Current result become 17 and it remove 7 here. Current result 10. I think so if I needed to do those service. Wow, this is sliding window. I see. I had everything in my bro. Struggle little bit. Yeah, you want to build this thing. Yeah. Was already subtracting, but a wrong way. Not a drink. Whole answer become yours. I think this is also even more harder. I think. Oh, we had a disk. We had a question exam. I should have seen this man. Where did it go? Where did it solve it today? But this is the one I was doing. But I clicked on this question. This is not the question. Again, it's showing the same question. Both are same. I think I have solved this. I use hash map like this. Webs are okay. Majority element 1. Let's go. What is majority? I've already solved it. I use map and check if count is. Kadan, what the heck's Kadan? I have attempted it. Okay. Given integer array norms, find the sub-array with the largest sum and return it. Again the same question, man. What the hell? I think pasting this will work. Oh, it is asking the last score. Same thing. Okay. PhD. Ah, this is different, I guess. It's a different question. Given array norms, find the sub-array with the largest sum and return its sum. Here, what we are doing is like taking A is equals to at this one. भाई मेरे से ना हो पाया जीपीटी से पूछ लिया भाई मेरे से ना हो पाया उसका आंसर सिंपल था यार बहुत आसान था फर्स्ट यू विल आइटरेट and keep the track of current count, push it in the temporary array. Whenever your count is greater than k, then you just what the shift does is like remove the first element from the array. JavaScript method. And what you did like in the current count you remove like subtracted the count, and at the end if count is equal to k, then what you do like copy the whole temporary array into the result arrays. मैं इतना bro I did till here, bro. I did till here. After this, I mean, not this. I even did this, but here it was if condition, and I couldn't figure out this thing. Or and even this thing I did. If count is equal to k, I did this thing also. Only thing I couldn't find it like this thing, bro. Only this two line. This was whole logic. यहाँ पे try करते हैं same method. What the hell is divide and conquer and dynamic programming? I don't know. Do I need to learn dynamic programming? Let me see basics. And algorithmic. optimization technique used to solve a complex problem. This is recursion, right? Manager? The recursion is the function that calls itself. There is some other different name for this. For a problem to be solvable via dynamic programming, it must possess two specific characters. Optimal substructure. Optimal solution to overall problem can be constructed by optimal solutions. Confuse me. Constructed from optimal solution of the subproblem, shortest path from A to C. Shortest path from A to B. Shortest path from B to C. Oh my god. Sliding window से होगा sliding with no idea. Can you join Discord now? Can you join Discord? Can you join Discord, Thor? Thor of Finn. Fuse Agarwal subscribed me. Oh, thanks for subscribing. Bro, can you explain me sliding window? Come join Discord, man. We can just solve here. Come on, bro. Come. Now, like this, you can solve this question, okay? Join Discord. Or do you want to join here? Do you know sliding window? I don't know sliding window. Send it to one. It even asking for the dynamic programming. Summer Rena is back. Oh my god, I got a 13 million views. Crazy. Come join Discord, man. We can just solve here. Telegram. Give me a minute. I'm just here. I'm just opening my Telegram right now. Telegram. Today we can learn sliding window. Daily have to learn one technique, I guess. Why the hell Telegram is not opening? Okay, it opened. Yo, Thor, tell me a username in Telegram, man. Tell me a username in Telegram, bro. Okay, can you join Google Meet then? Let me create a Google Meet better. You can join Google Meet, right? But you can't join that. Google Meet. Oh, what the? Why it's so I want. Come on, Thor. Come join Google Meet then. You can join Google Meet, right? Come on, man. We can just discuss the problem and learn to. I don't think I can do it on concepts are becoming so hard. Like, see, try perfect solution. Damn solution. Try coding another solution using divide and conquer approach, which is more stable. Out of 11.3 million people submit, only like how much is this? 6 million? Bro, what the fuck? Sliding the technique. Mastering sliding window by Ankit Singh. Okay. Bright mode, why bright mode? Okay, you leak my Gmail, bro. Sliding window technique. Sliding window technique is common algorithmic approach used for solving various problems that involves processing and analyzing sequential data structures such as array, strings. You can even use strong strings, nice. What the fuck is strings? Strings are like files. Strings are what in okay, it's in Java. Yeah, files. I guess right. It involves creating fixed size window that moves through the data structure one step at a time. Typically, typically left to right and perform specific operation or computations on the element within window. What is sliding window algorithm? That's what you said it here, right? But again, you're explaining same. The sliding window algorithm method for finding subset of elements satisfies certain condition in issues. What is in issues? Sliding window algo specific technique used in computer science and programming efficiently solve problems that involves arrays. Bro, why he's repeating the same thing again and again, bro? Certain window and moving the window through the data perform operations are using sliding window technique. It is just paste from his chat GPT. See, again he wrote the same thing. Only one point he added, bro. And the rest of the other points were from the back. Main thing we have to determine like window size need to be determined. Initialization and processing. Slide the window. Update and evolve. Evolve it is like checking the condition. Continue sliding. Return the result. So here he is given a problem. Given array integer, find the maximum subarray. Maximum sum of. This is what I opened, I guess. Let's see the approach. Start with first three elements. Calculate their sum. Slide the window. Move the window. The one step. So moving the window to step, it becomes 15132. Next, compare the current sum with previous maximum. Since 8 is greater, you keep the window, move the window again and calculate the sum which is this. So what he is saying me like he told me to maintain a constant window. Window is like imagine if we need three. You just comparing three numbers. First three numbers will be one window. Then these three numbers will be one window. These three numbers will be one window. How he's taking the window, that is the a main step I need to learn. Since 8 is greater than since 9 is greater than 80, calculating 6 is not lesser than 9, so it's not good. In CPP, bro, I need in JavaScript. Why no JavaScript? It's so unfair for me. Even it's fine, like I will be fine from what you did, took a maximum and store the the least element you could possibly store in the value. I mean, a variable. And you have something called as Windows Sum. What you did, you iterated till but you don't even have a K. Should I? We need to create a K then. K will be like Windows Sum. Okay, this is general sum. He just I mean just added values into it from area file. Set it. And initial value will take a scale and put a second. Okay, check it. Listen some I nums of I minus nums of I minus k and matter. Since we don't have a k, how are we supposed to calculate them? Is k the window size for we not even mentioned what is k. Just started. I think k is window size maybe. Yeah, k is window size. Okay, we got some ideas. Let us try. Um, bro, first we need a window. How do you take a window now? Since we can't take three, what if whole array gives the largest number possible? Whole array can't be sub array, I guess. But still, only taking three won't be the answer, I guess. Why we did not even take the whole thing as and sub leave that. Uh, you could have gone from here to here, then this would be even more larger. Why you only went from 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 6? It's not even following any constant window also. But he is having a particular window 3. Should we go with the window 3? If we go with the window 3, then we won't get this value. It's telling a divide and conquer. This is not a sliding, but he has done the same using the sliding. Why am I even writing it? Okay. Let us take the k as total number divided by. Hmm. Interesting question. But let me do some first. If you do 1 plus minus 3, then it gives us minus 2, I guess. Minus 2 plus 4 is like 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 plus 15. Why he has not given me the constraint, bro? How are you even taking only these numbers? Why you can't take this from here? This could have given you the biggest number, man. Why you're getting only 6? And the approach he is using is having a K window size. Don't even have that. The question is different for him, like fixed window size. I'm not going to ask the answer, but I just ask for him. How do you tell them that? No, Google will give me the whole answer. I don't want the answer. How did you get this thing? Is this problem so famous that you even got the same test case here? Try on this. Why? Why you consider the whole array as a subarray? You can't even do like from here, or like from here to here, or like from bit more than 6, I guess. Why only we have only 6? Why we get only 6? Don't give answer. What? Kudu? Kudu shit. What is Kudu shit stream? How are you telling pure shit stream? Yeah, this is pure shit stream. I check a song which is positive. You watch good you you wish it stream. Since adding it minus the minus is big. So the I can't even do plus 60. Yo, that guy seems to be like smart guy, man. I'm not smart. Dude, I think he's pro guy. I just saw his video. Like, he's pro. Like, I'm not a pro. Let's first learn the technique instead of jumping onto it. Someone might stop this. The easiest question ever existed in sliding the they have to explain the subarray continuous part of array. Subarray can be no skipping elements. How to think? Whenever you hear subarray, ask which all possible range. Thank you. What the hell? Pick a starting point, expand forward. Since we have tools here, and we declare a sum, and we can identity. Exploring continuous range. What is this technique? Yes, sorry. So I need an array element. Now we have our array now. Okay, as usual, okay, inside that we have which follows the I and goes till construct. Then that this also includes it was not stuck in the and some here. Some that's it. Somebody. Sorry, if somebody we need to some nice. Then I somebody can do somebody now. That's just side trading the same thing. Sample. Sub. Do you wanna join? These are notes. City. साउंड आ रहा है क्या? अच्छा भाई डिस्कॉर्ड पे आ जा भाई. स्लाइडिंग विंडो दिखाना है. Given or a integer window size k, I think ये method try करते हैं. It's okay, it's okay. Given or integer and window size k, find the maximum sound. So we are given the integer. In three windows I need to print how many are is separate. I know how to separate. So then start from here and here it should come. It should come to k only. the same. So answer should be the plan. That did not even be anything to enjoy. They did not see. So, even this is game 6, how? Or should I start? Oh, sorry. Something is wrong. Even without Windows, it was working. It's the same. Without it is somewhere. It's O of n. I think O of n square, I guess. Which is like O of n. The right pointed to right. How do you still contra? I don't have it. It's like that. This is possible. Let's see what. N trace is there. पीछे का starting from stop. Oh, this is so hard. This is really hard.
La caja de